The plan was to go across the street and play frisbee golf today. Can you make some cool music like?
That's the Jaws theme, just in case anybody didn't recognize it. And it is heading straight for us.
There's a
A
storm.
storm is a brewing.
Did you hear the big thunder outside?
Yeah.
Do you know what that means?
Read you a story.
What does that mean?
Don't know.
You don't know? Is there a big storm coming? Yes.
Now I'm gonna say, "Come down, rain, come down, rain."
Come down, rain, come down, rain. You like rain? You like thunder? Boom, boom, boom. Do you like lightning, the lights in the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like the lightning ninja.
So you're not afraid of storms? Did you hear it again? Are you afraid of storms?
No.
No, that would be silly. We're just careful.
We've weathered much worse than this, but you just got to take precautions. All right, the siren is now going off, and we don't know why. If it's a tornado warning, or if it's the testing, or what. But I think maybe we
Let's
should
go
get
in the
into
church, you guys.
Come on, guys, let's go into the church. Grab Tuppence, put her in her kennel.
Our kennel's in the... Oh, you're not dressed. That's all right. Just go in. Yep. Just grab your stuff, get in.
Gonna close this window here. We're thinking that this is not just a test.
Right, it was not a test. The weather app says a storm is coming.
Morning.
Good morning.
This morning when I put on my hideous exercise clothes, I thought, who's going to see me? And now... Oh.
It's kind of ironic, we decided to make this video, our vlog, about how we handle a big storm in the trailer.
We thought it'll
And
be
we thought it was
boring.
just going to be, a boring video, and then the sirens go off. And we're still a little confused as to why the sirens went off, because, usually they go off with tornado warning, right? But I didn't see any tornado warning or anything on my phone. And usually the National Weather Service would, alert us that there's a tornado warning. So I still don't really know why. Hopefully we'll get some good fierce storm footage for you here. Chances are this storm will probably peter out to nothing. We decided to not take any chances and just hang out in the church until the storm passes. So, well, luckily there was a stash of little people toys underneath this bench here.
Weary, worn and tattered, tossed about and battered, like a boat out on the raging sea. Gone adrift and helpless, broken down in distress.
I left my coffee in there.
I went back to get the chocolate, though.
Oh, you didn't bring my coffee.
Chocolate was already made.
All right, I'm going to go back into the trailer and get my coffee. There are more important things in life than safety, and drinking coffee in the morning is one of those things.
Touché.
All right, the church secretary revealed to me that here, hidden away in their office, is a Keurig. So serious score on the coffee front. So let's see, what do I want here?
Are you happy now?
I am. Safe and warm from the storm.
Safe and warm from the storm, kept from harm in his arms. When the tempest hits me, I'm sheltered by his mercy. Safe and warm from the storm. Just when I had floundered, quickly going under, Jesus pulled me from the crashing waves. Now that I have been kept from sinking to a great depth, I rejoice and praise his holy name. 'Cause I've been saved, safe and warm from the storm.
The storm's pretty much over. One more visit to my old friend, the Keurig.
When the tempest hits me, I'm sheltered by his mercy.
Well, the big storm that included the sirens going off turned out to be a big nothing burger. So we got to get footage of the storm coming in and gently falling down like a spring rain. So anyway, and that's fine, you know, boring is much better than exciting when you live in a trailer. We'll leave you with the sounds of Bean playing her famous rendition of It's a Stormy Friday in the Trailer.